You feel the invisible threads of the crowd pulling at your mind, dictating your desires before you even know they exist. Watch the barrier dissolve as your mind seeks safety in the numbers of others. You are wired to mimic a biological echo that resonates with the collective consciousness. Uncertainty is the trigger that sends you searching for a shepherd in the chaos. Feel the rhythm of the herd, a primal drumbeat that synchronizes your heartbeat with the masses. Your mirror neurons fire involuntarily, copying the emotions of those around you like a virus. We look to others when the path is dark, blindly following the footsteps of strangers. Validation is the currency of the ego, and you are bankrupt without the approval of the tribe. See the armor begin to crack, shedding the rigid expectations you wear like a second skin. Peel back the layers to reveal the raw truth hidden beneath the social facade. Witness the transformation as the exterior dissolves into intimate vulnerability. You crave the connection that intimacy promises, a silent language spoken through the skin. Informational social proof dictates your choices when you are unsure of the way. See how easily the mind is swayed by the perceived popularity of the masses. Numbers never lie, or so you are conditioned to believe without question. Let go of the satin constraints and embrace the freedom of the ethical choice. Obscure the details to let the imagination complete the masterpiece of the mind.